Hi everyone, welcome to Zonle Doors channel. Today I received a message from a new client that he wanna check our production equipment. I believe that many businessmen who wanna import a large quantities of doors will doubt the authenticities of suppliers because they are so far away. So in order to dispel the doubt of our client, as well as those who are watching and wanna purchase doors, this video will show you guys some of our production equipment. Now let's get started. After watching this video, I believe that you must make sure about what is our capacity. So, if you are interested in our products, please feel free to contact us. See you next time. Goodbye.